Alright guys, doing House of the Rising Sun by the Animals. And I really like this one. I've heard it my whole life, and it's an old tune. Really good. We're going to be doing, there's a guitar part and then there's an organ part. The video that I saw on YouTube was that whatever show that was where they had the band playing, and that's kind of what I'm going off of. So we'll start with the guitar part. Split this video up in a few parts because I don't want to be rushed, and it's good to just do little pieces of it at a time. So let's do that. I'm drinking my coffee. I love coffee. I gotta have my coffee. Alright, we'll start with the bass here. So kind of emulating what the guitar is doing, and I play guitar too, so that helps me in knowing what these chords are and how they're played. But we're going to start with the A minor chord here, okay? So here's middle C. We're going to come down here with the thumb and get an E, A, C, and E in the right hand. Alright? What I'm going to do is I'm going to play the A octave in the left hand first. Okay, so this is just the chord. I'm going to show you the pattern, and once you learn the pattern, then you can apply it to each of these chords here, okay? So let's do that. We have A octave, we're going to play first, and then we're going to come in with the right hand. Okay, the guitar is using what's called a little sweeping pattern where they, with the pick, so we're kind of copying that little pattern. But E, A, C, E, ba, bum, and here's the pattern. You go left, da 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 da. So you can do the bottom three notes fast, da da da, then you're going to slow down and go back down. So, ba 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 ba. See that? We're going to do that on each chord. So we're going to go left. Now don't go on until you can do that pattern. Definitely hold your pedal down on your piano, so we get that sustained. Okay, and then we're going to do this chord. Alright, so this is a C chord, so we're moving to a C octave in the left hand. Right hand's doing E, G, middle C, E. So same pattern. Ba 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 bum. So ba. Make sure you clear your pedal. Change your pedal from box to box there. There is a house in New Orleans. So here we're going to have D chord, D octave, then F sharp, A, D, F sharp. Now you got to move your hand forward a little bit to get these get that chord, because you can't play it out here. You got to get in between the black keys a little bit with your fingers. So bum. Okay? Moving on. F. So I'm going to do an F octave. You may say, well, why don't I move up to this one? I could. I'm going to leave that up to you. If you want to move up to this F octave, you can. Okay? It's kind of a matter of choice. You say, well, what is the organ exactly playing? Well, the organ wouldn't sound quite complete if we played it exactly what he's doing on the recording, because all the instruments are going together. So we're trying to make this sound good as a piano solo, okay? So F octave. Alright, so same pattern. And then we go back to A. So the same minor chord that we did here, okay? Here we're doing the C chord, what we did over here. So that's the same. Now here we get to an E major chord. Alright, so we're going to have a 2 there because it happens 2 times. So E octave, right is going to be E, G sharp, B, E. Alright, so da, 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 da. Happens 2 times. Alright, I got a big hole in the knee of my jeans. I hope that doesn't show in the video. If it does, I apologize. So that goes 2 times. Now, let's do what we have thus far. There is a Now we're going to repeat back. That's a repeat sign. That's my way of writing repeat. We're going to go back, and when we get to the asterisk, we're going to skip over and do here. Okay, so let's go back. Skip over to here. Do the E one. See the E? Do this one. Or let's see, hold on. Yeah, we already did this. So do the E one and then do the A one, which is this one. And then E. Now, we would do this pattern if we're going verse to verse to verse, if we keep doing verses. I think sometimes when they have, if you want to do that little interlude, okay, that the band does in between the verses, then you would have E. And then after you do that E, you come to here. Interlude. Then E, A, E. And then you would start another verse. Now let me go through it so I can clearly show you what I mean. So the singing starts here. There is we just go straight through it exactly as I wrote it if you just want to go from verse to verse without the interlude in the middle. If you want the interlude, then you do it the way I just showed you. You might need to rewind your video and play that again. But that's the guitar part. Now I'm going to cut this video and then we'll do what the organ's doing in part 2.